Hey parents, this is Drew Rittenbar. Just wanted to make a quick video for you showing you how to access your child's email address. It'll be the same way on any computer, Chromebook, tablet. The tablets don't always work as good with Clever, so just a heads up with that, but it will still work. The website that we need to go to is clever.com, clever.com /in/Sturgis. Clever.com /in/Sturgis. This screen should look pretty familiar to your kids. They should know what to do there. From here, they'll need to click on Login with Google. The first time they do it, they might have to type in their email address. And again, their email address is their username at sturgisps.org. So for example, my daughter's would be trutenbar85 at sturgisps.org. And if you need help with that or your child forgot it, just contact your teacher and we can help get you that information. So log in with Google. And what Clever does is it houses a whole bunch of different websites that we use in the classroom. Some of them, it'll automatically log them in. Some of them, it's just a link to the website. Mine might look a little different than your child's, but when they get in, they need to scroll down to where it says Google Apps. And there you'll see the red M with the white block. That is the Gmail. Most third graders have not used their email yet, so you might need to do a little bit of teaching with that. When you're in Clever, all of these boxes are great resources for your kids. Mayan is a great one for reading that we use all the time. Has tons and tons of books that will read to them. They can then afterwards take an accelerated reader test. There's so many books in here, it's hard for kids not to find something they like and an area that they like to read about. MobyMax is another one that some third graders have used that has great resources for math and reading. But I encourage you just to sort of check things out on this. Anything that's on Clever is a good resource. If you have struggles as you get started with this and getting through their email, just let us know. Like I said, contact your teacher and we'll help you out. But we're looking to use the email, the student email, to push out those daily lessons so that they have a consistent place to go for. Also, please check out the third grade parent, Eastwood third grade parent page that we just recently made. That would be another place that we'll be putting out all the videos.